profitable mobile food truck and catering services. Central Coast, New South Wales. This is a rare opportunity to combine a fabulous coastal lifestyle with your own profitable business. Well established in this location, this niche food business is easy to operate and perfect for expansion or franchising. The food truck offers sweet and savoury authentic French crepes with no direct competition. The business operates in Lake Macquarie, Newcastle and Central Coast areas, with additional income from private catering. The food truck is very popular at renowned markets, including Homegrown, Newcastle Farmers Market, Glendale and more. The custom-built 2023 Spitfire Caravan is fully fitted and can run entirely off-grid for easy operation. All assets and equipment are in fantastic condition, and the sale includes a 2022 KGM Musso tow vehicle. Enjoy continued bookings all year from local councils, caravan parks, schools, private and corporate clients. With no real competition, this exciting business offers unlimited growth potential, including franchising.